If you are building a website in Squarespace, you know that it takes quite a while. So I'm always looking for ways to speed up my workflow and make things a little faster. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite keyboard shortcuts inside Squarespace to help you speed up your workflow and get your site launched even faster. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. And if you don't already have my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, I'll drop a link below. It's a mini course on everything that you need to do to get your site ready for launch. All right, let's dive in. Okay, we are here in my Sway Squarespace template for service providers. I'm just playing around inside the template today so you can see exactly what I'm doing to speed up my workflow and help launch sites a little faster. My first tip is an oldie but goodie. So if you don't already know this one, it's really handy. Or maybe you've been using this one for a while. And if you have, drop a note below and let me know in the comments. Is this new to you or something that, yeah, you've been using it since it rolled out? So for fluid engine sections, so if your section looks like this with add block in the upper left, that's a fluid engine section on Squarespace. If it looks like this, it's a classic editor. If it looks like this, it's an auto layout section. So for these fluid engine sections, when you are trying to line things up, it can be a little tricky. But if you hit G on your keyboard when you're in edit mode in one of these sections, you can actually see the full grid here within this section. So this is handy for a couple of reasons. One, it lets us know that we have some margin built in top and bottom here. So if we turn off fill screen, that disappears. Maybe we want it. We can decide. And it also helps us align things even better. So now I can know that if I drag this down one more, it's going to be better aligned with the end of this button here. So G for showing the grid on fluid engine sections is tip number 1. Okay, tip number 2 has to do with this new layers panel. So I'm going to add another image block here just so we can play around with this. And I'm going to show you how to quickly hide an image on a particular view. So let's go ahead and just add another image here and hop in to, I'm going to set this to fill. There we go. And let's hop into mobile view. And you can see this is really wonky now. So what I want to do is hide this image from mobile view. So I just need to click on the block that I want to hide. And then on my keyboard, I'm going to hit Command Shift H, and block is now hidden on mobile view here, or whatever view I'm in. If I were on desktop, it would have hidden it just on desktop view. Here, it's hidden it just on mobile. All right, the next tip I want to share with you is one that I am using all the time. So let's go ahead and just rework this section so that we have everything nice and tidy. And I'll show you where this really comes into play. All right, I have my blocks tightened up here, but you'll notice that I have all of this empty space now here at the bottom. But what I can do now is double click this blue arrow tab at the bottom. I think Squarespace calls it a nub. If you double click that, it automatically shortens your section to the bottom of your last block. This is such a time saver. I don't know if you've done this, but I've spent what feels like hours dragging everything up and then dragging the section up. So super handy, really loving this shortcut. All right, the next thing that I want to show you, I'm going to create a new section. And what I want to do is copy some items from this section to the new section. And if I wanted all of it, I could just hit this duplicate section. But maybe there are just some items that I have styled here that I want to move over. So for me, maybe it's just these 3 sections. If you hit Command C on your keyboard, click into that new section and hit Command V for paste, it moves everything over for you. You can do that within sections as well, but what I found works even better within sections is if you hold down Option and drag a block, it automatically creates a copy of that block for you. So within a section, I use the click on the block you want to duplicate, and then Option drag, we get a duplicated block. But if I want to move these across sections, I can copy. And bonus here, if we click one, hold down shift, we can click multiple blocks, hit copy, paste those in to the new section. So, 5 Squarespace shortcuts that I use all the time. So, if you have a favorite Squarespace shortcut, please share it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like or leave a comment. That helps other people discover my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.